Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna be making a delicious puff pastry treat. This has only a few ingredients, so it's gonna be super easy to make and really fast. So let's get started. For ingredients, we have puff pastry. This one is the pre-made one from Trader Joe's. We have some cream cheese, apricot preserves, and we had made some guava jam, so that one is what we're gonna use as well because it's one of my favorites. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already pre-cut the puff pastry. The box comes with 2 sheets of puff pastry and they're roughly about 4 by about 8. That's the dimensions. And what I've done is with a pizza cutter, I came in and just cut in 4 sections. These are gonna be very small pastries. So take into consideration that you can make them as big or as small as you want. But in this case, I made it so that there's 4 rows that I cut by another 4 rows here. So once you have your squares cut, then you can put your filling, which is the cream cheese and the marmalade. So in this case, I put some cream cheese over here and I just kind of estimated how much you could put in here, not too much, so that it doesn't overflow out of the pastry. And then you're just gonna add your marmalade. This is the guava, and this is a delicious one. I'm gonna add more, but later. And for the cream cheese, it's just gonna be plain, really. You could sweeten the deal and add some powdered sugar to cream cheese. Grab a little bit of the cream cheese and just whip up some powdered sugar to taste, and that would make it very, very nice. But I think it's enough sweet, and we can balance out the sweetness with the jams and the marmalades. So once they're there like that, we are going to grab our squares, and if you like, you can cut a slit, and that's what I'm gonna do. And you should do it in a wood board, but I'm just gonna do it very lightly here and open a little slit so that it can puff up here and kind of like put it on top like that. You could also use some water to put here on the side so that it can close nicely. And another thing that we are going to be needing is, let me cut this on the side. We're gonna be needing some egg wash to do an egg wash on top of the pastries as well. So this is what we're gonna do. You could also just close it, cover it with just one that doesn't have anything. Just kind of leave it loosely, don't close it all the way. But I think it would be nice to just have, and then you can put a little bit more marmalade on top. I just love it. And it's just like a dollop, so it's not too much. And that way you're gonna have your filling. I didn't put the water, but it's gonna be okay. So you're gonna do your dollop. And that's what I'm gonna do with the rest of them. And now we're gonna put them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees in a preheated oven. Here we go. So keep an eye on them. And here we go. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. So at this point, they are really nice and puffy, as you can see there. But we're gonna put on the egg wash. That way they'll look nice and golden. And if you guys wanted to, you could also sprinkle some sugar on top just to be extra. But I think for most of them, they should be okay just with the egg wash. And back into the oven for another 5 minutes or so, yeah. I'm gonna put them on the top. Alright, so guys, this is out of the oven. We're gonna put it here to cool down. But aren't they the cutest? They look a little bit more brown. The puff pastry needs to fluff up and be, let's see if we can get the light to be good here. So they need to be dried out as much as possible. The only one that had a little bit of spillage here was the little one here. But I think it's because I didn't place the marmalade correctly. But other than that, they all turned out really good. And they look absolutely delicious. I know that I'll be having people coming around here because this is smelling really good. Guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go eat one of these goodies and I have my coffee waiting there to be made. So I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what other fillings you would like to put in this puff pastry. It's so easy to make, isn't it?